I teamed up with Cabot, and I am going to make a set, actually 2 sets, of new shutters for my house. As it stands, we don't have any. My wife's been asking for them for a while, and this is the perfect project to do. I've used honey teak for 2 other projects. I like the color so much, I'm going to carry it over for a 3rd project. That way all my outdoor stuff matches. Before you start making your shutters, you need to know what size you got. This window is 32 inches by 6 foot. I just need to cut the width in half. So we're going to go 16 inches. And then I'll put a 16-inch piece over here. They're going to be non-functional. These are all 1x2s. I bought them in 4-foot sections. I need 12 of them. These are going to be the supports that are going to go down the shutter, so it'll make more sense here in a little bit. I'm going to sand them and pocket hole them. Let's go do it. Australian timber oil, Cabot, honey teak. Step 1, stir your stain. You can't just start staining. Look at that. It went from black to brown. A lot of the color settles at the bottom sometimes. So I'm stirring it. I'm going to stir it for a couple minutes. When you're applying your stain, you want to use a brush or a lint-free rag. This is very lint-free. I use these for a lot of staining, and it works well. The last thing you want to do is wipe down everything with a dry rag. That way, you get a nice even finish. It's good.